Hi everyone! Welcome to the sea tour from Makarska to Jelsa and Brač, a video tour of one of the most popular boat trips in Croatia. Along the promenade of the Makarska Riviera you will find many stands with offers and descriptions of this excursion. We bought our tickets there. As we set sail from the Makarska Riviera, we embark on a full-day journey filled with adventure and breathtaking scenery. Our first stop is the picturesque town Jelsa on the island of Hvar. After exploring Jelsa, we set sail for the island of Brač, where we visit the famous bikini-shaped beach. This stunning beach is surrounded by crystal-clear waters and offers a fantastic spot for swimming and sunbathing. The boat ride offers stunning views of the Adriatic Sea, and you can take in the fresh sea breeze while enjoying groovy music and a lively atmosphere. Throughout the journey, you will have access to an open bar, so you can relax and enjoy refreshing drinks. The trip's price includes a delicious and hearty lunch, which includes fish, so you don't have to worry about getting hungry during the day. Jelsa is a charming coastal town located on the north side of the island of Hvar, known for its stunning scenery, rich cultural heritage, and relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle. This picturesque town has a population of around 3,500 people and covers an area of 146 square kilometers. Over the centuries, the town was ruled by various powers, including the Romans, Slavs, Phoenicians, and Austrians, each leaving a unique mark on the town's architecture and culture. The town's most iconic landmark is the Church of St. Mary, located in the town center. Other notable attractions in Jelsa include the Franciscan Monastery, which houses a museum showcasing the island's rich history, and the charming Jelsa Promenade, which offers stunning views of the sea and surrounding islands. Jelsa is also famous for its wine production, particularly the Plavac Mali grape variety, which is grown in the surrounding vineyards. Visitors can taste some of the island's best wines at local wineries and vineyards or enjoy a glass of wine at one of the town's many charming cafes and restaurants. Unfortunately, our ship excursion allotted only a couple of hours to visit the captivating city of Jelsa. Regrettably, we could not find the time to visit the luscious lavender fields and enchanting vineyards. However, we were determined to return there by car and explore these natural wonders with greater care. As we made our way back to the ship, we were eagerly anticipating the delicious and satisfying lunch that awaited us. We were presented with a choice of two dishes, either a succulent poultry dish or a delectable fish meal. As we savored our meals, it was amusing to observe the seagulls gathering in the wake of our ship, eager to partake in the remnants of the scrumptious fish. It seemed as though the seagulls were accustomed to the presence of tourists and patiently waited nearby, hoping to indulge in the feast of free fish.
Sin que el temor te limite. Vuela paloma bien alto mi vida, no dudes que siempre amanece, ya amanecerá. Paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda.
So, we arrived on the Bull Island Brač. Brač Island is a stunning paradise and natural wonder that leaves visitors awestruck. One of the island's most famous attractions is the famous beach known as Zlatnirat, or the Golden Horn. This unique stretch of coastline is famous for its distinctive V-shaped formation, which changes its shape and direction with the currents and winds. The island is also a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with numerous hiking and biking trails, rock climbing opportunities, and water sports activities available. The island's stunning scenery and diverse range of outdoor activities make it a popular destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Personally, I found the island to be enchanting due to its diverse range of coniferous trees, which provided a delightful refuge from the scorching sun. Instead of beach umbrellas, cedars lined the beaches, creating a unique and calming atmosphere. The island's pervasive coniferous aroma was both strong and delightful, and I could physically feel my body relaxing with every breath. Overall, Brač Island is a magical place. It is no wonder that Brač Island is one of Croatia's most popular tourist destinations. We spent approximately 4 hours on the beach before returning to our ship. There are several ways to get to the port from the beach, one of them is by boat, and that was a real fun. Upon arriving back to the Makarska Riviera, you'll have a great opportunity to chill, dance, and soak up the festive atmosphere before getting back to the harbor by 6 p.m. This concludes our tour, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be glad to hear your thought about it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. We'll continue to provide you with useful information and positive vibes about the places we've visited.